Welcome to Calculus 101. As we continue our unit on functions, this chapter will deal specifically with approach statements, limits, and continuity. An approach statement describes the behavior in a function's range based on the change in or direction of its domain. Approach statements can be written in words or shorthand notation. These statements lead to the understanding of limits. Let's start with this function, 1 over x minus 2 plus 3. As you learned in the previous chapter, this is known as a rational function, and it contains both a horizontal and a vertical asymptote. To write an approach statement, we're first going to look at x approaching infinity. As we travel along the x-axis to the right in the positive direction and move towards infinity, what is going on with the function in its range? We see that the function is approaching the asymptote y equals 3. Remembering the definition of an asymptote, the function will never actually reach 3. It will only approach it. Hence the notion of an approach statement. To write this in words, we simply say as x approaches infinity, y approaches 3. But we can also write this in a shorthand notation. Note that this notation is not a standardized mathematical notation. This is simply a shorthand way for us to describe the behavior of the function. These will later turn into very specific mathematical limit statements.